Okay, I put everything back together, even though there are a few other things that I still want to do to this. Majority of things are done, and I thought I'd put it together and see if it's going to work. I do not get a dot in the center anymore. That's primarily because F4 in the power block was bad, which I think is one of the 22 volts, either minus or plus 22 volts, which would be needed for a deflection, for deflection voltages to occur. So I've got the board out, and if I put it in self-test, it gives me a RAM error. Let me reset it. So it's giving me 5 good beeps and 1 bad beep, and I looked that up in the manual. That's L7. That's RAM that's related to the vector generation. So I'm hoping replacing that RAM fixes the graphics. So that's going to be the next step, but I thought I'd give you guys an update. This is what it's looking like after I did a lot of cleaning on the inside and outside. But still got some things to do. It's not going to be a terrible looking machine, but it's not going to look great either. It wasn't stored well in its years. Plus it's 40 years old. But so that's where we're at. After I replace the RAM, I will make another video.